It's a pretty simple thing. Just kick back, relax, and enjoy the art that we're bringing to you. Each movement explores the different personalities of the bird, but at the same time, they're all birds. So that kind of gets into the deeper theme. With a lot of divisiveness that's happening in our society these days, there's a lot more that unites us than probably we like to sometimes recognize. Birds of a feather, we're different, but we're still all birds.
He always says that you can't change the world off a band show, but you can sure try. And so a lot of it is just the different people working together. With having such a large band, and we've got some incredible players in there, we're sounding really good in my opinion.
If you ever have any problems, you can totally just forget about it while you're on the field and focus just on that. And you've got your friends and family supporting you while you're there practicing. And then our makeup, we'll be cutting our face into the shape of a beak almost with the contour that we're going to be using, and it's very bright blues and purples and oranges, so it creates this really cool effect.
To watch people learn how to play as they're marching, and then just to watch them over the years is incredible to see.
Definitely worth it to see, to get the crowd's reaction and hear the cheering after you finished a performance that was amazing.
When we're done, are you happy? Did you like what you saw?